This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Rob.twine. Well-maintained, beautiful detached condo, conveniently located in Northeast Suffolk. Open floor plan, great for entertaining. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, fenced yard. Front yard, sidewalks, common areas maintained by the condo association. Clubhouse, gym, pool included in association. New tile facing on kitchen island, epoxy coating to be installed on garage floor. For more information, review the details below.